Welcome back to another video. It is no sleep season in crypto. We are up massive, but we're not letting off the steam yet because things are ripping and we want to make sure we ride this to the end, make the most out of this bull market. So like and subscribe if you want to stick around here. We are watching the charts daily, glued like a hawk right now, because this is the time when you can take just a small amount of money and really transform your life and your family's life with just a few trades. All it takes is just catching a few of these trades right and early and having conviction, and really you can make huge gains in this. We do this by playing the narratives, getting early on these altcoins and positioning before all the influencers hype, all the crypto banter and all that are telling you. It's too late by then. Yeah, you're going to catch some gains, but you're not going to get in there early and you're not going to make life-changing gains watching crypto banter. So like and subscribe here. If you go back, I think even a month ago, we caught the meme train early with Dogecoin. Up huge on that. Then we transitioned to bonk and shib, up massive on these. And what were some other ones? Trump we caught early, which is up huge. Bonk, pepe, massive gains. I want to show you another meme coin today that I think is going to absolutely rip and be next. But before that, let's get into the crypto market and how things look. Are we near a local top? I don't think so, and I'm going to show you why. First off, we're not near the halving yet, but any dips right now are for buying up. These dips are honestly like a present coming that you need. If you're not fully in the market, you want to buy into these dips because we are ripping right now. And if we look at the interest in crypto over time, this is on Google Trends, you can see how high we got back in 2021 compared to where we are now. We're just picking up. So retail is just coming back in right now. So this is huge news, so bullish right now for us. If you look at meme coin interest as well, back into where we were 2023, we're nowhere near that right now, but we have an uptick in interest, uptick in searches in Dogecoin, in shib. So really, we want to, this is where we want to be. AI, meme coins, crypto gaming maybe, but that's not taking off yet. So this is the industry I'm focused on right now. This is where we're making huge bets and huge plays. So let's look at the coin I think is going to run next. Okay, so jumping back into the charts just to show you how we caught all these early. Here we have Dogecoin. This was, I think, 3 weeks ago, this video. We were here on Dogecoin. Okay, and now the Dogecoin chart, that's where we were. It looks like this. So up 82%, 83% on Dogecoin. Huge move. And this has still got room to run because generally when we break a 236 fib extension, we make our way up to the 382 and then we make our way to the 50%. So I think this has still got legs to 17 cents here on Doge. Even can price in much higher. These are just my short-term targets. So short-term targets, I've already taken TP1 here. I'm going to ride the rest up to the 50%. Okay, pepe. We caught pepe when we were down here at the point of control and below the yearly open. Now pepe is here. Look at that, guys. It's huge. That pumped up 326%. So yeah, 4x. Currently, we are still up 270%. So huge gains here. Bonk, I don't want to keep doing this and boring you guys. We caught bonk at yearly open. Bonk from yearly open is now up 89%. So if you're catching these on leverage, it went up 115%. Huge gains here. What are you doing listening to these influencers telling you to buy XRP and HBAR? Like, no. I hope you guys are realizing that anyone telling you that is an idiot. Unsubscribe to them right now. They are an idiot. And you're going to waste your whole bull run if you're holding these old dead altcoins. So pay real attention to who you're listening to because you don't want to blow this opportunity. These few opportunities we get to transform your family's life, make generational wealth, do not come around by holding these dead coins that are just, guess what? These influencers are getting paid to tell you to buy these because they're inflationary coins that aren't going to do anything and their market caps are too big. So pay attention, get rid of those and pay attention to the new hot narratives. So bonk, should I even do another one? Trump, we caught at like under $4. We were talking about in this consolidation here, we've ripped up, 189%. So even not being political here, you just want to play the narratives. Let's get into the coin. Today is Toshi. So Toshi, I think, is still yet to run. This is the meme coin based on the Coinbase CEO's cat. So, hey, what are you guys? Team dogs or team cats? Is this going to be the cycle for the cats? Who knows? Because I think there is another one actually. Is it the Vitalik's cat? Is another meme coin that I'm looking at and it's on my radar right now. However, Toshi, we have, let's look at the tokenomics. All the supply is in circulation. Fully diluted market cap, 100 million pretty much. The chart on Toshi looks ready for another pump, another leg up. We had This you can see is another pattern that plays quite often in bull markets. We come down here, we have pump, consolidation, pump. What happened after we pump here? Consolidation, and then we're just starting another pump. So yeah, this is really a pattern that occurs a lot. Pump, consolidation, pump, consolidation. In bull markets, this is a pattern you want to look, and you want to get in on deviations. So even though we missed these deviations down here of the range, there's still a lot of entries for us back here on the back test. So I've been scaling into this Toshi position, but how high can this go? Because this is nowhere near done yet, especially in this alt season where things are ripping. So we've got above, these are where you can see where my alerts are set here. However, let's look at Fibonacci's and how we can really look to play this. So using Fibonacci's to predict where the price would go. Let's say we had this breakout here. We didn't know how high this was going to go. We could use Fibonacci extensions to predict where we're going to run into support and resistance along here. And let's see if I take this down so it's visible on our time frames. You can see just from this Fibonacci, we can draw in levels of where we're going to have support and resistance. So this 386 extension here, you can see from this fib was a huge resistance. We got rejected here. We came back down to the 1618 extension, back up, and we're bouncing from the 2618 to the 3618, and back down to the 1618, and then ripped all the way up to the 5618. And then we're struggling here on the 4618. So just use the 618 extensions here on the fib. And the next target here is the 6618. However, we can look to see, let's see this leg and say this huge impulsive move has almost played out, because this looks like to be a 50% from where this initiation started. Yeah, so this is pulled back. This fib is complete because we made it all the way back down to the 786. We broke up to the 382, and we're kind of bouncing in between this range. If we take this lower time frame, you'll see where the support and resistance really came in. So yeah, these levels are absolutely key. So from this fib, we can look at putting in extensions and seeing how high can this go, because when something is so exciting in crypto, when something is in price discovery, and we can set targets on this, you don't just have to blindly buy and sell when Crypto Banter says. So we put a fib extension on here. We can see from the start to the high, back down to the start of this move, how high can this go? Well, my next target would be at this 00036, but I like the 618 extensions. So if we put a 618 here, and then let's put another 2618 in black. These are the levels I would be looking to play for Toshi. So first, if we break up here, 2618 is 54% a move. 1618 extension, 94%, so nearly a 2x. And the 2618, we're looking at a 209% move. So just over a 3x move on Toshi. So huge trades here. Are you in Toshi? Are you looking to get in? I've bought in a little bit here on this 236. However, I'm looking to scale back in here, because look at this consolidation. We were rejected. We shot all the way back down, rejected. We've now broken out. If we can come back down here to retest this level here, I will be looking to buy in on these levels with the stop loss below here, not financial advice, and target those huge highs. So for a huge gain here. So not financial advice. Are you bullish on Toshi? How high do you think it can go? Certainly think this can run massively. Now, the other extremely bullish thing here is if we look at Toshi, like we said here, now we have 100 million market cap. People think this seems high. However, if we look at, let's see, Doge, we're going to look at market cap. How high did Doge go in terms of market cap last cycle? It was in the billions. If we just take the all-time high here was got 82 billion. However, maybe it's not going to go as high as Doge, but we can play the mean, the average here. And let's say the average is around 36 billion. That is a huge multiple. I don't even know what that is. That multiple is, I think, 340x. However, we don't do public math on this channel. We do trading, not public math. This is not some math geek channel telling you to buy HBAR and XRP. Nah, mate. We are in here to make money. So are you bullish on Toshi? Are you a holder? How high do you think this can go in terms of market cap? I certainly think this could run to the mean of SHIB. Huge here, especially if this narrative takes off. Meme coins continue to run, and especially cats can be the meme of this cycle rather than dogs. What do you think? Like and subscribe, guys. Cheers.